Ladies and gentlemen, today I've had a chance to review the UK Parliament Treasury Committee's recent analysis of the cryptocurrency industry. And I like to use the word digital asset, but they're using cryptocurrency, so that's what I'm going to use here. And they seem to think it has no social purpose and should be regulated in the same way as gambling. There are certainly cryptocurrencies out there that serve no social purpose, and they should be regulated as gambling. But we need to move beyond that and recognize the nuances of technology and regulate intelligently. Today, I stand before you not just as a representative of the people, but as an advocate for innovation, for the budding creators and the small businesses, and the vast potential of our digital economy. We are in the throes of an era of transformation, where the line between the digital and the physical gets blurry sometimes, and where the humble micropayment holds the promise to unlock unprecedented value and opportunity. Today, we are tasked with the responsibility of guiding this transformation, of harnessing its potential while protecting our citizens from its perils. The recent report by the Treasury Committee has sparked a furious debate on cryptocurrencies, their nature, their potential, and their risks. It is true, and I will not contest, that cryptocurrencies, as they stand today, come with their fair share of challenges. Volatility, lack of intrinsic value in some cases, although not all cases, and the high risk they pose to consumers, and those are real issues that we do need to confront. However, to cast aside all digital assets, all blockchain technologies, as devoid of useful social purpose is to ignore the vast and varied landscape of innovation and potential that these technologies represent. It is to overlook the transformative power of blockchain in facilitating micropayments and unlocking a new paradigm of value creation and exchange. Imagine a world where a budding musician can upload their music to a global platform and receive direct, immediate compensation for every listen. Every penny contributes to their growth and success, and every listener becomes an active participant in their journey. Is that not a useful social purpose? Or consider the small business producing unique, handcrafted digital art, selling each piece for a modest sum to a global consumer base. The hundreds, thousands of transactions that take place, each a small micropayment, cumulatively form the livelihood of this business. Is that not a useful social purpose? The Treasury Committee rightly calls for regulation that keeps pace with innovation. It is therefore crucial to recognize and support the innovations that have clear and tangible social utility, such as globally scalable, high-volume blockchains that are actually used for micropayments. The pathway we carve out today is not just for the digital currencies, but for the countless content creators, for small businesses, for innovative enterprises, leveraging IoT, leveraging all of these different capabilities that are facilitated by this technology. Dismissing these opportunities would not only be irresponsible, but would legislate away the futures of so many. The Treasury Committee points to the risks and compares crypto trading to gambling. But let's not forget, every financial market has risks, and it's our duty to regulate, educate, and protect, not prohibit and stifle. I call upon the members of the Parliament, the public, and the industry as a whole to recognize the potential that lies in front of us. We must build a regulatory framework that promotes innovation while protecting consumers. In conclusion, I say, let's not legislate away the future. Let's shape it. Let's not dismiss digital assets as devoid of social purpose. Let's harness their potential for a purpose that resonates with our values and aspirations. Our task is clear. We must advocate for a clear path forward, for a regulatory framework that recognizes the value of micropayments and the potential of blockchain technologies. Together, let us avoid the calamitous tragedy that would be the passage of this legislation without due consideration for the future of micropayment-based digital assets. Thank you.